In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to your social scheduling tool in just a few easy steps. If you're managing multiple social media accounts, this is going to save you a ton of time and help you stay organized. First, make sure you have both a Canva account and a social scheduling tool ready. If you don't have one yet, you'll want to check out the exclusive free trial to the tool we'll be using, linked in the description below. This free trial is only available to my viewers, so don't miss out on that if you want to follow along. Once you're logged into both accounts, the first thing you want to do is open Canva and create your design. Whether you're making a social media post, a story, or even an ad, Canva's template library is perfect for this. When your design is ready, go ahead and click the Share button on the top right of the screen. This is where the magic happens. From the Share menu, select the option that says Schedule with a social media tool. A list of compatible social media scheduling tools will appear. If your tool isn't on the list, don't worry. Our software can easily integrate with almost any scheduling platform, so you won't have to worry about missing a step. Now, select your preferred tool from the list. You'll need to sign into your social media scheduling tool through Canva, so make sure your account is linked. This is usually a simple login process. Once you've connected your account, you'll be able to directly schedule your posts from Canva without switching between apps. After logging in and granting necessary permissions, you'll be prompted to choose the platform you'd like to schedule your post for: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or others. You can select the platform you want to post on and set your desired date and time. The best part about this is that Canva does all the work for you. Your design will be automatically uploaded and your post will be scheduled. It's a seamless, simple process, and it eliminates the hassle of manually uploading your content to multiple platforms. This is especially useful for busy marketers or anyone trying to streamline their content creation and posting process. Key takeaway here: connecting Canva to your social scheduling tool can massively improve your workflow. No more switching back and forth between apps. It's all about making things easier and more efficient for you. Let me quickly recap what we just covered. First, you create your design in Canva, then click Share and choose Schedule with a social media tool. Log into your scheduling tool, select your platform, and choose your post's time and date. That's it. You're good to go. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial to the software we're using, linked in the description. This will give you full access to all the features you need to get the most out of this integration. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.